Moving snow can be a tough and time-consuming job, but not if you have the Craftsman 14-inch high lawn and yard tractor snow blade attachment for front-engine lawn and yard tractors. The Craftsman 14-inch high lawn and yard tractor snow blade is designed for maximum efficiency and high-volume snow moving. From the tractor seat, you can lift and lower the blade as well as pivot it to push left, right, or center. The skid shoes are height adjustable to allow for safe and effective snow removal over various kinds of terrain, from decorative rock and slate-faced surfaces to smooth asphalt and concrete pavement. Plus, the adjustable trip spring allows the replaceable blade head to ride up and over obstacles. And once the mounting brackets are installed, the Craftsman snow blade can be attached and removed without tools, making those early morning surprise snow removal chores a quick and easy job. For additional traction and functionality, added weights and chains are recommended. See your Sears associate or Sears.com for selection. Craftsman tools are known to be tough and engineered to be effective, fast, and easy to both assemble and to use. Superior products and incredible customer service. That's why we can say, Craftsman, trust in your hands.